Hello viewers, we're going to draw a plane today. For the basic outlines, let's begin the drawing. From the front part of the plane, it's a curved line as you can see, and this line goes straight to the tail of the plane. The front is another curved line. It's like a shape of the egg, and this line goes straight to the end of this tail. In the end, you can draw like this. Two wings, little wings from the side, as you can see. And in the middle, we are going to draw the bigger wings, one on the other side. It's a curve and it meets here. Another one on the left side, and the wings meets that points here. We can draw the front part of the glass like this here in the plane. And we can draw windows like this. As you can see, the basic outline is going to get clearer. Some mechanical parts, as you can see from here. All right, and the wheels of the front part is partially visible from this point. So I'm going to draw the wheels like this, and another wheel in the back side. A stand is coming out, and you can see the rear wheel. Okay, so this is the basic functional shape of a plane. If I put the color now, the plane is going to look great. So let's put a color to the body. Let's put a very light color. As you can see, let's draw with this one. The color is little deeper. Alright, also we can draw the wings with the same color, the left wing and the right wing. So the main body part of the plane has a uniform color. As you can see here. Alright, so the left wing is almost done. Now we can draw the glass with a blue color. So the glass looking nice. The ignition points, we can draw it with orange color. So 4 of them has the same color, as you can see here. We can put the purple color for the wheels, the stands and the wheels. It looks purple. All right. So this is the basic outline of a plane. As you can see, I am moving the drawing, so you can keep practicing and watch the video. If you like the drawing, please subscribe the channel, and all you need to do is to do the practice. In this video I have shown all the drawings with a freehand sketch, so it's always better to learn how to draw any picture or anything with freehand sketch without any instruments. In that case, you can draw anywhere, any place and in any way. That's your freedom. So try to draw in a freehand sketch. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.